Hi, today I have a challenge log for you guys after a long time, and this one is called LOATHING by Albert Lebel, and it was sent to me by K1 Locks. K1 Locks, thank you very much for sending it to me. And the key was without, it was not mummified. So here's the key. You can see the beading. It's a 5-pin lock. And the beading, it's not extreme, not flat, somewhere in the middle. Oops. And I prepared this tension tool, and this time I will not start with my usual deforest diamond. I will start with the deforest diamond that Jason J sent it to me. It's a thinner than usual, so yeah, it's Albert Lebel lock, and I know the pins that he made, so I'll try this time with this pick. I will start at least. We'll see how it goes, and it's easier to go counterclockwise. So yeah, let's start. 1 nothing, 2 spinning, click from 2, full set. I did not expect nothing less. Nothing 4 4, and then 5 now. Come on, 5. It's a bit thinner pick, so I'll try to be gentle. Small click from 5, and I will probably remove the click from 2. I will be gentle with the tension tool. 3 click, counter rotation, 4 nothing, 5 is back, click from 5, deeper, full set. 1 2 3 4 4 4, click from 4, counter rotation, 5 is back again. Come on, 5, click from 5, deeper and deeper, full set. 2 now. No, it was boarding. 4 now. 5. Yep. 1 2 nothing, 3 nothing. This is for click, and we are open. Whoo! It was not that bad, knowing the Albert Lebel how he made his challenge locks, knowing that he's putting a really nice pins, usually serrated ones. With this was good. Yeah, we're open. He's putting like pretty. You need to check some of my other videos. Fantastic pins. Let me check. 1 2. Nothing is done on the body, but what about the core? So counter mill I can see on the very deep one. That's why I felt that big faucet from both sides. So first, third, and fifth standard. Second and fourth one, they're pretty deeply. I don't know if you can see. Here it is. Hopefully the camera, it's showing you how deep is that one. Fantastic job on the core. So we'll try to focus on the pins. Hopefully you can see the pins, but let me show you. First, all first, second, fourth and fifth key pins, they're standard. The third one is torpedo-like. First one is standard driver. This is fantastic three-part pin, and there is in the middle serration on this one. So I hope it was like that oriented. Hopefully you can see that serration. Fantastic. The third one is double serrated or barrel-like, and that middle part is a bit smaller diameter. The fourth one is a floating spool, but it's like tempered on this side, and the fifth one is a barrel-like serrated. It's a fantastic lock. Albert Lebel, thank you very much for pinning this one. K1 Locks, thank you very much for sending it to me. Guys, this was the Loathing by Albert Lebel. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye.